every year lakhs of aspirants fill the UPSC exam, and most of the, or I would say 50% of the aspirants do the regular hard work, right? When we say regular hard work, it means that they study 8 hours, 9 hours a day. But out of those lakhs of aspirants who are doing hard work, why do every year you see only few hundred people entering the holy PDF? Because to clear the exam, what you need is a mix of hard work and smart work. It's the combination of hard work and smart work that helps you crack UPSC. And this is the main purpose why we have launched the Nitya Pragati 1-to-1 mentorship program, where we transform the hard-working candidates into smart working candidates. Because, and I'm saying that with all disclaimer, that without hard work, you cannot clear the UPSC. But if you are a hard-working candidate, it is our guarantee that we will help you in transforming yourself from hard-working to smart-working candidate. And if you don't believe me, please, you can check out the feedback of the existing Nitya Pragati students who have transformed themselves from hard-working to smart-working aspirants.
Good thing about Nitya Pragati is it creates a sense of accountability through our weekly sessions and daily tracking sheets. It helped me to stay disciplined throughout the journey.
Nitya Pragati, which means daily progress, and that's exactly what I experienced here. It helped me stay focused, motivated, and mentally strong throughout. And there are regular tests, and the most important thing is the current affair integration.
Sejal sir, being head of the mentorship, has been conducting multiple strategy sessions for each subject, for each paper, be it for prelims or be it for mains. He has been constant support throughout this journey. Every week he tracks my progress, be it academic or non-academic problems. He has always been there.
मैंने नित्य प्रगति बैच में एनरोल किया है. उसमें हमें सजल सर के सेशंस मिले थे, जिसमें उन्होंने बताया है कि कैसे आप एक आंसर्स को अप्रोच कर सकते हो. जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उनको आप कैसे अलग अलग पार्ट में डिवाइड करके लिखोगे तो इससे पॉइंट्स ज़्यादा जनरेट होते हैं. एग्जांपल्स कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सर ने एक लिस्ट ऑफ कीवर्ड्स एंड थीम्स भी बताई हैं, तो जिससे आप जब टेस्ट लिखते हैं तो काफ़ी अच्छा हेल्पफुल मिलता है.
I enrolled in this program last year in 2025 when I was starting my UPSC preparation journey. So what really helped me in this program is the structure that this program provides under Sajal sir. So they helped me in the selection of right sources so that I was not lost in the flood of materials available outside, and also in clearing each subject in a time-bound manner.
I joined Nitya Pragati's batch 1 around 2025 April. And from that point, my preparation has been a lot smoother than it was in my previous attempts. Because before that, I used to have a very messed up schedule. But after joining the mentorship, I've had this guidance of my mentor all the time. Even if I go out of track sometimes, I will have the guidance and confidence from the mentor to sort it out and get back to the process. And with the one-pager notes and timely mentorship sessions every week, it is made sure that I have a fixed schedule for myself, which is actually giving me more confidence than I've had before.
It was a truly enriching experience for me. Especially the strategy sessions by Sajal sir helped a lot. He has told us how to tackle the answer writing part, how to deal with the MCQs, whether they are logical, conceptual. So he has told us each and everything.
I found Nitya Pragati. I've been a student of Sarthi IAS in multiple programs, but this has been a game changer. Right from the very first time there we decided how much I'm a working professional, so I have very compromised time in my hand. So she took care of the planning and has been my accountability partner since then. She's taken care of the fact of how specific my requirements are. I'm comfortable in writing, but I need practice. At the same time, my static were not as much complete, so making sure that my revisions are duly done, planning. And at the same time, there have been times where I couldn't finish my target for various reasons, personal or otherwise. The fact that mentorship helps you to accommodate everything and still keeps you going, I don't think I can thank her enough. I'm still trying the prelims, is still a few months away. I'm not really sure how I'm going to perform on that day. But if there is any confidence and definitely that belief that this is definitely my most best prepared year, that credit belongs to her and Sarthi IAS initiative of Nitya Pragati.
Sajal sir has been really very helpful for meeting the subject specific demand.
I have been a student of the Nitya Pragati course at Sarthi IAS. Through this course, I learned how to identify the real demand of the question and how to structure answers using introduction, body, conclusion, and how to bring in multiple dimensions in one answer. What helped me most is the continuous practice of linking static subjects with current affairs, reports, and real life examples. Now I feel more confident in writing analytical and balanced answers. The mentor guidance has also been extremely helpful.